In this video, I'll show you how to add a contact to an Android mobile phone. So the simplest way to do this is swipe up or down, depending on which device you have, and look for the Contacts app, or you can search for it at the top. Click on the Contacts app, and then click on the plus sign. Here you can add a new contact under mobile, work, home, etc. I'll just leave it as mobile. For this example, I'll just make up a random name, Joe Blogs, very original, yes I know. And then I'll just type in any number and click save at the bottom, and then save at the top right. And then if you come out of all that, swipe up again, load up your contacts, and if you click in search and search Joe Blogs, there's your new contact, and that is how you add a new contact on an Android phone.